Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream locally. First, gather your fresh, local ingredients such as heavy cream, whole milk, and eggs. Next, prepare your ice cream base by gently heating the mixture, then chilling it completely in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Finally, use a quality ice cream maker to churn the chilled base until it reaches a soft, frozen consistency. To truly make local ice cream, seek out nearby farms for the freshest dairy products and seasonal fruits. Using ingredients like ripe berries in summer or crisp apples in autumn ensures peak flavor. Don't hesitate to experiment with natural extracts, such as vanilla bean or almond, and a pinch of spices like cinnamon to enhance your unique creations. This approach supports local producers and elevates your ice cream's taste. For optimal results, make sure your ice cream maker's freezer bowl is completely frozen, ideally for a full 24 hours. Pour your chilled base into the machine and churn for 20 to 30 minutes, or until it resembles a thick, soft serve. Once churned, transfer the ice cream into a shallow, airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours to firm up before serving. Personalize your ice cream by adding mix-ins like chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or fruit swirls during the last 5 minutes of churning. For best storage, transfer your finished ice cream into a shallow, airtight container. This helps minimize ice crystal formation and maintains its creamy texture. Enjoy your delicious, homemade treat within 1 to 2 weeks for the freshest and most delightful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.